What do you think of the swim lab?
It was really interesting, and the students were really friendly.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What did you learn from the students?
I learned that you study a lot during your first year, but then if you can choose to study hard. I mean, if you want to specialize, you can study really hard. If you just want to be a general dentist, you don't have to work as hard. Yeah.
How'd you like looking at people doing the making the
Actual lab work?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would be really fun and interesting to do. Yeah, I would like to learn how to do those things in the future.
So how did that differ from like shadowing?
From shadowing?
Yeah.
In the shadowing, I mean, if dentist is not busy, they can explain it to you. But then sometimes when they're busy, they can't explain what's going on. Yeah, so it was good to see like step-by-step procedure.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.